Good morning, good morning. It is time. You guys saw our tiny house probably video. I posted one, realized I had copyright, so I took it down and posted another one. So here's kind of the backstory of what exactly is happening. Ignore the mess back there. My husband and I were looking at places to live. We were thinking Arizona. We were looking at places in our next door towns, and with our medical history and issues, it didn't make sense to move out of state right now. Our goal is to move out of state, but not right now with everything politically that's happening with our learning challenges. It's easier to stay with family than it is to move out of state and then be confused and not know what's going on. So we have a tiny house that is on my parents' property in our hometown, and we're a mile away from this house, not even. So we can still visit my in-laws. We have obviously our own tiny house where we're gonna be living in. We'll have a garden, we'll have a shed kind of thing. Live on my parents' place. The rule is we don't go in each other's houses, we don't go into each other's spaces unless we've asked, texted, that kind of thing. I think this is a good step for someone that lives in California, whether it's ADU, tiny house, in that direction. It is expensive to rent, it is expensive to buy, and this was the alternative. We're super excited to be living in a tiny house on our own, but having that stability of land and knowing that we won't be kicked off anytime soon. We are moving in this weekend, so I'll definitely take you along for that. I have started packing. We're in the process of packing, as you can see. 2 boxes there. And then we have a bunch of boxes and stuff in tubs, and so we're slowly getting there. Today I'm also gonna start packing some stuff that we just don't need anymore, and paper essentials, camera stuff, and yeah. So I thought I'd take you guys along. I did want to sit down and talk to you guys kind of like what the plan is. The plan is to talk to my parents tomorrow about the rental agreement and hopefully be able to pay Friday or Saturday when we move in. So we are paying rent. It's a rent to buy. So we're renting the tiny house. We're putting that money in a separate account so that when we reach the amount that we actually paid on it, or that my parents paid on it, then it becomes ours. We can choose. The nice thing about this opportunity is that we have the ability to pay more or pay less. We do have to pay something monthly. Depending on if we pay less, then it's gonna take longer. If we pay more, it's gonna be quicker. We do have the flexibility of, maybe 1 month we're not doing well financially, so we can do less, and then the next month we do better, then we do more, I think we're very lucky. We're absolutely grateful for this opportunity. My in-laws could not afford to do something like this, and so the fact that my parents can do this is amazing, and it gives us the independence that we need, but also the feeling of being independent, if that makes sense. Okay, so I have candy cane green tea. Then I have my fall tea, which is from Trader Joe's spiced tea. Smells really good. I have my Thai tea, which I probably have to tape. And then I have a box of tea that I need to go through because I don't think I want all of this. I have my matcha, so I'm going to put that in here with my drinks because I still have one more tea bag. My chamomile, this is what I'm drinking right now though, so there's no point in packing that up. But I'm going to it smells strong. And then sheltered in here. Good morning. It is the next day. I'm still wearing the same exact clothing that I wore yesterday. But who cares? No one cares. Anyways, I'm packing. I have paper supplies. That's for my friend. In here, I literally have my beauty stuff, masks, German hand cream, face mask, body lotion from Bath and Body Works, glass cleaners for our glasses, makeup that I found that I forgot I had, perfume from the Body Shop, which I'm pretty sure this has expired. I don't actually know. It doesn't have an expiration date and it still smells good, so. This is the only perfume I own, and I got it from the Body Shop back in Missouri, so like 4 or 5, 8 years ago. Probably should get a new one. And then these really cool lip oils and lip balms. So that's what's in here so far. I'm still having to clean out the bathroom, but this is what I've collected in my room. So I have finished up packing quite a bit. Let me show you what I've done so far. So I have all these boxes done. That's going. And then I have a little box here. These two are pretty much ready to go. That's something my husband has to go through. This is about done. I'm going to start wrapping this up. All the picture frames. That's our donut box, beauty supplies, and trash box. I feel like it's getting there. I'm bubble wrapping this. But you know, Janet